So we're here today at the YouTube Space LA. Brian Simon from the Frontside channel. Let's see what you can do. So I guess I decided we'll do the first ever live skate support.
Okay.
Have you ever done a frontside 180?
I don't believe I have ever done a frontside 180.
Frontside is going to be turning that way. So what you want to do is you want to do an ollie while turning your head and shoulders in that direction. Pop, slide, while turning your head and shoulders, and then your legs will come around.
Ollieing and turning.
Yep.
All right. Like a 90.
That was pretty good.
That was a 90.
That was halfway there. Practice this motion.
Okay.
Which is your ollie motion. Practice it while you're turning your head and shoulders like this.
Okay.
It looks super awkward.
It does look super. Is this for your subscribers to laugh?
No.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah, but throw your arms. You look like a zombie that's trying to like...
you never told me that. You said head and shoulders.
Oh, throw your arms too.
I mean, is that right?
Doesn't matter how you look. It's gonna look stupid. Everybody looks stupid. Is how you learn. Good. Now do a 180. Remember to do the full motion of the ollie.
So close.
That was a 180. You gotta land it.
Oh, I gotta actually land it?
Yes.
Jesus,
good.
It's always 1 foot.
Turn your head and shoulders more.
Okay.
Like your legs are turning, but your upper body's not fully turning. He's getting super close and he's just falling off. Yeah. So what I want to have him do is do it with a little bit of speed. Man, leave your feet on there, Brian.
Know, they just wanna...
Come on!
Good shot. Oh! How about that one?
What do you think?
How about that
That's
one?
pretty good.
How about
I think you rolled away like a good 4 inches.
I did. 4 inches counts for something. That's what my wife said.
Booyah. Live tray flip skate support. The first ever.
First ever?
Ooh. Yeah! So on the tray flip, here's the deal. If your foot is on there a lot, your board is going to rotate the kickflip rotation slower. If your foot is on there just a little bit, it's going to rotate the kickflip rotation faster. For this rotation, it's all about this foot. So the tray flip is all about this foot. Like this foot barely does anything. You really just scoop so hard back like that, and so it's just practiced like this. My front foot, notice it just barely does anything, but my back foot is all over. Try that. Whoa! Oh. So we are here with Lance. We're gonna have Lance ollie this flat gap. So this flat gap is a little bigger than the one right behind the camera right there. So we're gonna start with the smaller one first. And that's just the way you do it. You build up on something small, then you move to something bigger, and that's the way you're gonna learn to skate. I'm gonna tell you the secret. The more speed, the easier. I'm gonna go first to do the perfect ollie demonstration. I'm not even gonna lie, you didn't even try.
I didn't.
Okay, you just gotta commit, you're scared of the speed. I'm gonna show you how you don't even really need to even ollie if you have a lot of speed. Oh! You got it, Lance! Now you gotta do it again.
Again?
2 to make it true.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Now we're gonna push fast this way and ollie the big one. Don't even think about it. You already ollied it. This one's barely bigger, just a lot of speed, okay? So I want you to go like this fast. Oh, Lance! Oh! Okay, so that was super sick. You fully committed. Hey guys, so we're here with
Devin.
What's your name?
Devin.
What?
Devin.
Are you sure?
Yep.
And you're gonna learn what?
A backside tail.
A what?
Forgot the
It's
name
front
of it.
side. So front tail. Your front is facing the ledge, and then you ollie up, and your tail goes on there. This is the first step. You ready? Like that. Dude, you got that. You gotta like ollie up, and then turn like this. But I think a little more angle helps a little bit too. I mean, that's pretty much it. Obviously, you have to get in there a little better. Yeah! Just think like this. Dude, you're so close. The thing, once you get on there, stand on your left foot. Stand on your back foot. Yeah. Dude, that was it. Take this down. You got this right now. You're killing me, bro. Oh! That was beautiful.
Thank you. Finally.
Hey guys, so we're out here in San Jose with
Ivan Rosas.
And he's gonna learn how to
Hardflip. The flip is like the hardest part for me.
Really? Maybe that's why it's called a hard flip. Let me see your hard flip attempt. If he lands it first try. Just step off with your back foot. Yeah, like that. That was incredible. Put your front foot just back a little bit more. So what did you learn?
I learned how to really get the flip down.
How did you do that?
I put my back foot all the way back here.
Yeah.
Even if I thought it was uncomfortable,
Yeah.
I still tried it and it felt better.
I'm stoked that you got that.
Thanks.
Hey guys, so guess what we're gonna do today?
I'm gonna learn how to nose slide.
Gabe's gonna learn how to do a nose slide. A nose slide is a half of a frontside 180. Personally, I think it's a little easier to do this with a higher obstacle because you're higher. Because on this one, I feel like I'm gonna bend down a little bit and touch the ground. As a first gradient, you can kind of just lift up your nose and run into the bench. That's how a lot of people are gonna learn their first nose slide, and usually you'll learn that on like a curb. So just roll right into it. And onto the board slide. You okay? Okay, so watch out for that one. Keep that in mind. You're not gonna lift it up high enough for your front truck to go over. That was good. So once you get your nose on there, you can put all of your weight on your front foot. Oh, what was that? What? How good did that feel? Get further away and put your front foot totally on your nose. There you go. Now we're gonna go like this. So you're gonna stand about this far away with about that much space, and you're gonna do half of a 180. Then you're gonna land with all of your weight on your front foot, so you could literally be standing like that. And then at the end, you're gonna do a nollie out. Just kidding, you don't have to nollie out. So keep your eye on the edge where your nose is gonna go. There you go. Now when you get on there, you gotta transfer all of your weight to your front foot. There you go. Now even more, all your weight on your front foot. Because if you were like that, you probably wouldn't slide because your board is too down. There you go. Good, you got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Do a nose slide. This is what you gotta do. You gotta just go on there and be like, I'm just hanging out, like right here. And then come out. All of your weight has to go onto this foot. So you could literally be like that. There you go! 2 to make it true. Woo! Hey guys, so we're here today at Sunnyvale in San Jose, California with
Ivan Rosas.
and he's gonna learn
Do better tray flips.
but we're gonna get your tray flips better, right?
Yeah.
So let's see your tray flips. That was amazing. Okay, I do have a point that I think will help you. A lot of times when I've seen you do them, your feet go in front of the board, and that happens when you're leaning really far forward, and then your board pops and your body weight goes forward, but your board stays behind you. Lean back when you pop and throw the board in front of you. Like if you watch Brandon do tray flips, he doesn't even move his feet, I swear. He just does a little hop and the board goes. He's leaning so far back, the board goes right in front of him though.
It's like all about the scoop.
It is. It's true. It is all about the scoop. Oh, yes! 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 That was 3 in a row. Hey, Lance! How's the sidewalk surfing going, brah?
Oh, it's great, brah.
You ready to take down the next trick?
Kickflip?
Yeah. Don't be scared. We got your back. The whole Braille army got your back. Try a kickflip. Let me see what happens. Okay. Not a bad first try. The thing I want to make sure you really understand is look at how far my heel goes up. So kick your heel up really high. That was it. Well, keep practicing. That's the point of continuing to practice like that. That was better. Boom! What, Lance? Land it! So I'm gonna take Lance to the cheater bar because he's like, even though I'm flipping it, I feel like I'm not close to landing it at all. It's a cheater bar. He's gonna hold onto it, he's gonna flick it, and he's gonna land with both feet because he can hold himself up like this. That was it, you landed it. This is definitely Lance's hardest challenge out of the whole series yet, but he's gonna get it. If you can get the full rotation once, you can get it every time. Oh, Lance, what is that? What time is it? Hey guys, so we're back here with Lance, and as you can see, he's dressed entirely different because it's an entirely different day. Sometimes if you're trying a trick for 4 hours and you don't make it, feel free to go to sleep at night and wake up the next day and come back with fresh legs when you're not super sore. And now Lance is back, and personally, I think he's gonna get it fast. Lance, land it! Is that helpful?
That was so close.
What was that, Lance? What was that?
Does that count?
No, do it again. That counts, but you got it better than that.